So you want to know how to make a graph on Excel. That's what I'm going to be teaching you. This method can work on either '07 or 2010. First, I'm also going to teach you how to make a secondary axis for your graph. So first, you highlight this, then you click F11, which will make a bar graph for you. But you want a line graph. Then you go to layout, you go to design, change chart type, and then a bunch of these graphs come up, and you want to choose this one, and click OK. And then you got the line graph. And then, but you want to change the horizontal axis and change it to dates. So you just click on the graph, you go to Format Plot Area, and you click on the line, you right click on the line, and you go to Select Data, and then you do Edit Horizontal Category, and then you go to Sheet 1, and then you highlight this, and then you click OK, and then you've got all the dates. And then you can also edit this title to Mass, and OK, and then you've got all your data. But you also want another one for mass percent change. Let's change this because for some reason it did not work. Edit. S. Okay, so now it's mass. So you want to add the other line for mass percent change. So I'm gonna go to Select Data. Edit. For some reason my CPU isn't working at the moment. Okay, just ignore that. And then you want to get this, so you go to Select Data, you go to Add, you call this mass percent change, and then you go to Sheet 1. And then you highlight this with a blank September 9th since there's no change, since that was your first day. Wait. To make sure you're doing this right. Sometimes that can happen. Delete that. You go like that. And then you change this to mass percent change. Okay. And so now you have your other line. Now you want to add the secondary axis. You click on the line, you go to Format Data Series, you click Secondary Axis, and then you click Close. And then you come up with this, but you want it to be percent. So you go to Layout, you go to Axes, you go to Secondary Vertical Axes, then you go to More Secondary Vertical Axes Options, click on that, and then it'll come like this, and then you want to go to Number, then you click Percentage, and then you depending on what you want, you can change this, but I'm going to have 0 decimal places, and then you click Add, and then it becomes 0, so you click Close. But you realize this is in thousands, so then you go back to there, and you go change this to hundreds, and then close, and now it looks better. And then if you want to label it, you can go to Axes Titles, and there's primary horizontal axes, there's primary vertical axes, and then there's secondary vertical axes. And then you can also change the design of this here. I like this design, so I'm going to keep it like that. And then I'll add some titles. So, Axes Titles. Axes. So then there's a title right here. I delete that and change it to dates, and then that's it. And then for the chart title, you go like you want it like above chart, or if you don't want it, does not matter with me. Mass, and mass, and there you have the title. And for this right here, you can just delete that. It will not show up if I take it away. See? And then I can add some more titles. So then I can go to click on the graph, layout, axis titles, primary vertical axis. You can do whichever title is rotated, which is the one I prefer. And then you go to, you do mass, and then you also put in grams, so that other people who are reading the graph know that you did it in grams and not in pounds or ounces. And then you go back to axis titles, you click on secondary vertical axis, and I'll do the rotated title, and you do send. Send. And there you have a graph made from Excel with 2 lines and a secondary vertical axis. Thank you for watching.